this is Ashwanth Kumar. I'm going to solve maximum number of scrambles by using these two Rubik's cubes in 15 minutes.
Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646 803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, one in a million.